What's up guys, Matt from FAEMA Canada here, and today I'm tasked with recreating the Rocco Special. If you've ever come to the FAEMA showroom, you may have met a lovely gentleman named Rocco, and this is his signature drink, the Rocco Special. The Rocco Special is a gin-based drink that features a variety of signature Fabbri products. So we're going to start with our gin. We're going to do roughly 1 ounce or a splash. Next, we're going to be adding in our lemon syrup. A nice splash of it in there. And now I'm going to top this with ice. You want to fill this right to the top. So now we're going to add our soda water in here. We're going to pour this very gently so that it doesn't completely mix through, because we want to see all the beautiful layers. And now, for the finishing touch, we've got the strawberry syrup, which is going to complement the lemon very nicely. And I'm going to use a bar spoon and slowly drizzle this in. You're going to see a nice little beautiful effect here. All the way around the glass as you see it slowly fall. I'm going to do 1 more spoon for good luck. And there you go. And for the final touch on the Rocco Special, we have the trifecta of the Fabbri candied fruit products. The cherry, the ginger, and the strawberry.
Hold on, let me try it.
Oh, here we go.
You forgot 1 secret ingredient.
Oh no.
2 teaspoons of the Fabbri ginger syrup.
Of course.
Finito.
And the master. There you go. Well, thank you guys for watching. You can check out all of our amazing content at FAEMA_Canada. And for all your fabric product needs, check out our website, faema.ca.